what I want to show here is the difference between two Moodle sites, one with Cursive installed and one without. Now, this is a Moodle site without Cursive installed, and this is an 8-step assignment that Jason Gulya shared on LinkedIn, which is a great way to scaffold writing and to encourage students various use using the AI assessment scale. Now, without Moodle having Cursive installed, the only thing available to teachers in review of student work is plain text, right? There's no additional information related to the student's work for writing that occurred in the learning management system. And this is for every single assignment. So even for assignments where students were prompted to write significant amount of text, they can see the text as written, but there's no additional information that helps me to verify that the student has actually done the work. This could simply be copy-pasted. I'd have to rely on either AI detection or plagiarism detection to review how the student has completed these assignments. Now let's switch over to the same course, but administered with Cursive installed. Now, Cursive provides an easy, non-AI detection, but student effort verification system for each of the assignments. So very quickly, I can take a look at the student's work as it was completed. I have the same information available about the student's text that the student has written, but I also have information related to how much time they spent, the amount of editing that they did, and any place where they may have edits from Grammarly or other systems that are changing the text in their assignments. I can even look back at the process by which the student has written the text. This is all occurring automatically. Now let's look at one of those longer assignments too, where the student has completed a couple paragraphs. Now, in some cases, the student might have copy and pasted text, and here I have information related to that. So here, the student has written their text in Moodle, but I also can see how much time they spent, how many words they've written as an estimate, but also, most importantly, can see very specifically pasted text. And this refers back to that site source evidence of the references that they've had. I can also look at the process for which they wrote the text and get a lot more information about it. Furthermore, if I look at the student's writing overall, I and the student both have access to a significant amount of summary data related to their text overall. And this can be switched to by courses, but I'm looking at each of these assignments in sequence and can see all of the information that they've worked through. I also can tell that the student is verified by their authorship for each of the submissions that's over 400 characters. It's just a quick and easy way to know that the student has actually done the work and how much effort has gone into that work. What we're looking to do is to make sure that there's a proof of effort and a proof of process that's included rather than relying on detection tools only to verify student work.